Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in your little corner of the world. Good to you. Good morning, good whatever. Just good. Today is Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, because it's trash day. I had to run out and get the trash cans because I don't know why they just continue to... what is going on with my camera? They just can't seem to put the trash cans where they belong. I've got some eggs that I've started cooking. They're actually, I've already cooked them. I've boiled them for deviled eggs today. I'm making deviled eggs for dinner. And I've got some more steaks laid out. I bought some steaks because they had them on sale at my local grocery store. And, you know, I just can't pass up a good buy. I just can't pass up a good buy. And I never get tired of eating steak. Do you? I really don't. But I've got some eggs that I'm going to just peel. I'm going to go to my mother's here in a little bit, so I'm going to get my eggs peeled and refrigerated, so when I come back home I can just go ahead and throw my deviled eggs together. And if you want an amazing deviled egg recipe, it's already on here. All you have to do is hit the little magnifying, is that a magnifying glass? Search glass? That's a search glass. Hit the little search thing and type it in and you will find them here on my channel. Here comes a little bit. Come on over here, baby. Got some eggs cooking. Yeah, no worries. I'll get my counter cleaned off before I get started. Just want to tell you what happened to me yesterday, or Sunday at work. Talking about being victimized. I tell you what, I was absolutely floored. A little bit, you're gonna have to go. I was just absolutely floored. I went to the dollar store before I went to work because I work night shift. And when I went to put my stuff in the back of my vehicle, I have a Durango, and I noticed that a little bit slow. A little powder puff. Get down, sweet pea. She just wants to be with me all the time. Oh, your belly's so full and round. She's like, so is yours. But anyway, I went to close the hatch on my vehicle, and I noticed that my license plates were sideways. A little cockeyed. Here she comes again. Come here, sweet pea. Mama loves you. Mama loves her baby. Got to really looking at the license plates and discover those license plates were not my license plates. I just didn't know what to do. I called my husband. He's like, you need to call the police. So I called the police. They met me at work because, like I said, I was on the way to work. And once they run the plates, it was discovered that the plates were stolen plates. They weren't stolen plates. They were stolen. A trailer was stolen with those plates that matched those plates, and somebody swapped those plates out with my plates on my car. Now, where this happened, I have no idea. The police officer said that, you know, it could happen like when you go to the store, Walmart, work, home, which I'm really hoping that it didn't happen at my home, because you know, it's pretty scary, the thought that somebody invading your space, privacy, whatever, but, you know, pull it into your driveway and swap it out a plate. But it was scary, but I really don't think that it happened at home. I think that it either happened at work, or because I live at work, or, you know, it could have possibly happened at the store. Get back. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. But it is really scary. It cost me time and money. And I had to go yesterday and get some more plates for my car, which is okay because they were due in April, so at least I don't have to go get them again. But it's really scary. So you guys need to really be, you know, vigilant out there. Make sure you're looking around at everything, even your license plates. It's just crazy what people will do. It's just terrible. People are, I don't understand. I don't understand the evilness in the world. But anyway, just all it did was prove that I am the badass that I always said that I was. You know, I was feeling pretty badass knowing that there could have been a possible warrant for my arrest. Yeah, feeling pretty tough. But yeah, it is a scary situation. But anyway, that's all taken care of, and hopefully that don't happen again. But I'm going to get my boiled eggs peeled, and I'm gonna head to my mother's, and then when I come back and start making my boiled eggs for my deviled eggs, you know, of course I'll show you when I'm doing it. I want you guys to look at these bad dogs. Back up, back up. I'm so mad at you right now. Look at the dirt on those feet. Look, her little paws are like spread apart. Look at that. He's got stuff hanging off the back of his. What do you think about that, Rosco? Huh? What you think about that? Are you in trouble, Daisy? Are you in trouble? Are you in trouble? Rosco, you in trouble? Yeah, my hair is all jacked up. Your dip is done.
Is it?
Alright, we are getting ready to make some deviled eggs. I don't need that big of a bowl. I just need a small bowl. How many did I make? 7, 8? Olivia's getting ready to eat all of her dad's dip. She should be ashamed, but
She makes it for me.
he makes it for her.
He does. Ah. Don't make me drive you somewhere.
She's been driving me somewhere for 16 years. Straight down to the grave.
Excuse me, did I just come in with muddy paws?
Oh. Boiled eggs always smell really good. But I just took Olivia to get her one of her shots. 2 of her shots. She's salty because I told her she's only going to have to get 1. Girl, did I cook these eggs long enough? Oh well.
Go on.
Somebody. Do you hear that cat? I don't know if I cooked these long enough. Oh well. We're gonna eat them anyway. But I'm making some deviled eggs, like I said earlier, and I'm gonna fry some steaks again because I got them on sale. And Olivia's having some buffalo chicken dip. What? My dogs are off the chain. They have been outside. I am about to cough on my deviled eggs. They have been outside digging to China, obviously. And they get on my nerves. Look at that. Are my eggs, do you think they're gonna be done enough? Did I even boil these eggs? Maybe I didn't cook them as long as I thought I did. But I'm making my delicious salad again that I love so much. I stopped at the store, got me some avocados. I went and visited my mother today. Kind of been a busy day. I hate when I have a lot of running to do when I'm off, but it is what it is. Had a nice visit with mother. Girl, look at these eggs. Did I cook them long enough? That one's a clucking. Very dumb clucking deviled eggs.
Are these gonna be jalapeno deviled eggs?
You want jalapeno deviled eggs? I like them. Somebody's a little ticked off. Olivia wants jalapeno deviled eggs, but I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna get these started. Alright, I want you to look how pretty my deviled eggs are. Now sometimes I put paprika on them. Sometimes I just put pepper right across the top of them. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I'm kind of running out of time. Oh, let's put this one in there. Listen to this rude ass over there. But I'm just going to pop them. I'm just going to top them with some pepper. Because that's what we like. And again, you can get this recipe. I think I've already got it on my channel here. I don't know. It's so good. Think of that. All right, now I'm going to get started on my chopped salad. Chopped salad. And if you guys haven't tried that recipe yet, you need to try it. It is absolutely amazing. I went to the store today just to get some avocados because I don't know what it is, but it balances that out and it's so yummy in my tummy. All right, this is a salad I made the other night. I kind of wish I'd have bought some black olives to go in it, but I didn't. I forgot to buy them. Olivia's over there grossing out. She don't like black olives. Look at this is such a good salad. I'm gonna make that vinaigrette dressing, Dijon dressing to go with it as well. It is so good. You gotta try this. Put some crispy bacon on it, and then I'm gonna get my steaks all seasoned up, and we're gonna eat. Look how yummy that looks. Yummies. This is so perfect. This is perfect. You like this, Daisy? Look at my dog. Alright guys, dinner is done. I want you to look at this. Look at my beautiful salad. Now I've got me some avocado cut up here because I'm going to put it on my salad because I love it just like that. Put some in a bowl. This stuff is so addicting. I wish I bought some black olives to go in it. It's been even better. I've got my salad. And I peeled an avocado. I'm going to put avocado on mine. I'm going to put this whole thing in there. Let me just cut that up there. Is that peeling? Oh, I don't want to waste that. Get down, Daisy. Like there's a lot of avocado there that I'm wasting. Ugh, can't do that. I'm going to put this right in there. They don't like avocados in theirs, but I certainly do. It gives it an extra, I don't know. It's hard to explain, but it's amazing. I'm eating that whole avocado. Mmm. So good. Yummies. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Then I get my homemade dressing here. And this is the Dijon vinaigrette. It's dark in color, but it's absolutely delicious. Daisy, and then kick your butt in a minute. Oh my god, that's so good. And a couple deviled eggs. Certainly hope you like this vlog, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. You know I love you guys so very much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.